To download Trust Wallet with Face ID login, follow these steps. First, ensure your device is compatible with Face ID, typically found on newer iPhone models. Next, open the App Store on your device and search for Trust Wallet. Select the Trust Wallet app from the search results and click the Get button to initiate the download. Wait for the download to complete and then click the Open button to launch the app. Upon opening the app, you will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to Trust Wallet, select Create a new wallet. If you have an existing wallet, select Import a wallet. To enable Face ID login, go to the Settings menu within the Trust Wallet app. Scroll down to the Security section and select Face ID. You will be prompted to authenticate using your device password or existing Face ID setup. Once authenticated, toggle the switch next to Face ID to enable it. You may be asked to scan your face to complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Face ID setup. With Face ID enabled, you can now securely log in to your Trust Wallet using facial recognition. Remember to always keep your device and wallet secure by using a strong password and keeping your device up to date with the latest security patches. It is also recommended to enable additional security features such as two-factor authentication and fingerprint login, if available, to provide an extra layer of protection for your wallet. By following these steps, you can securely download and set up Trust Wallet with Face ID login on your device.